I'm worried. I'm worried about my future. I'm worried that my past didn't prepare me for any future. I'm worried that I don't understand how the world operates and that I can't raise my baby right because I can't teach her how the world operates. And I'm worried about the world. Yeah. And I don't totally understand it. But I'm worried that there's something deeply and fundamentally wrong with the world. That there's like a lack of faith and security in the world and in life. And that it's like it's too much, you know, and maybe that's it. Maybe that's why I don't understand it, is because it's too much. You know, and there's money and love and responsibility and family, work, and crime, food, children, God, insanity, friends, and shopping, and death, and sickness, and, you know, and traffic, and teeth, and pollution, and poverty, and war, and ignorance, oil, infidelity, and shoes, and hats, and, God, nuclear power, cats, winter, sex, elevators. I just, like, God, all of that. See, all of that, I think about it, and I worry about it all of the time, and it's awful. Like, it's really awful. I had this dream once, and I was outside with like a whole bunch of people, and it's like this fantastic day, and everyone's happy, like birds are singing, and there was this incredible rainbow on the horizon, and all of a sudden this like beautiful, just amazing music started playing, and God appears up in the sky, right? And God, you know, smiles down at everybody, and everybody smiles back. And God just beat me to death with a hammer. Hi, I'm Chelsea DeBase. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, but I'll be moving to Los Angeles in July.